Remaining time 9 minutes and 46 seconds to play. 14 shot clock. Two points. Fourteen shot clock. Time to shoot. Fourteen shot clock. Time to shoot. 3 points. Remaining time 8 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Remaining time 8 minutes and 5 seconds to play. For 3, wala. Rebound by number 30, outside.
Sub, rep!
Substitution. Three points. Thirteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 3-second violation. Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds to play.
Number 8.
Time out, Young Guns. Fourteen to shoot. Perez, 2 points. Remaining time 7 minutes to play.
Ano na ta? Mga ano lang mate. Mga gabi lang.
Ano lang ulit bola?
Rep! Sub!
Substitution. Remaining time 6 minutes and 35 seconds to play. 14 shoot left to play. To shoot. 10 to shoot.
Isab lang ah. Dala nga pang ko ah.
5 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds to play. 23 foul. First personal foul. 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 23.
Sub.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 44 seconds to play. 15 to shoot. Perez. Two points. Remaining time 5 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 14 shot clock. Wala. Rebound by Jacinto. Natapal. 14 to shoot. Remaining time 4 minutes and 34 seconds to play. Sino JD? Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 14 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Okay, 3 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Substitution. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Foul number 23. Second personal foul. Substitution. Remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds to play.
Nineteen foul. Adjust. Kasi pumbas mo madagdag ta.
Remaining times Number 14, foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds to play. 20 to shoot. Traveling.
Uy, score ka na. 13 ka na, 13. 13 na?
14 pala, 14.
14 to shoot. 3 points.
Time out, time out. Time out, time out.
Time out para Isubos.